In May, I think, or April. I'll check. That's what I was saying.
In May or April.
I need to bring you the...
But you signed it on December 24th.
Yes.
And you see how you're tripping yourself? Because
no,
you paid upfront and then you backdated the payment.
No. That's why I'm saying everything that is being spoken here, I would rather be quiet, sir, and bring it in a
But you admitted the contract. Do you want to deny it now?
I did not deny it, Honorable. I did not. I want to say that we will respond to you in writing with how this is about and also give you what they have done for us.
Okay, let me read the ending part. I also mentioned that there was sabotage to cancel the contract based on frivolous claims. It is then that you did ask me if the MD of the company, Bavata, was a pastor in my church, and I responded by saying yes. And I also mentioned to you that he is the same person who had been praying for your contract and your wife the last time she was ill. Additionally, I mentioned he was an expert in aviation communication, having handled different airlines individually and as an agency. You're talking about the CEO of Ababaka, right?
Yes. Why was I telling him this? Because the reasons he was giving for cancelling the contract, I was telling him will not hold water. He needs to do it properly and give a performance review, an evaluation, which wasn't done, but he went ahead and cancelled. So what I had warned him was exactly what was used against us as an airline. And the contract was overturned, the termination was overturned, and then now the organization started to do things the way I had requested them to do.
Chair, there's the clarification I want to get. Not a formal report, you just send a sort of a lovely email.
No, what I mean, Honorable, when you're reporting on email, of course you have a report which is sent on email.
So can you have those reports for the 12 or 9 months?
We'll send that, yes, we'll send that.
Can you forward to the clerk? Because the emails, you have it at your phone. I've been seeing you WhatsApping. Can you send the same to the clerk?
Thank you, Chair. We'll prepare and submit in the next submission.
You need to prepare. You have something that you have been sending to the CEO as your supervisor. And you've said you've been sending reports on the email. If you said you've been taking the physical report, that would be understandable. So those reports on the email, they are there. It is just a matter of sending them to the clerk. So are you willing to send them?
Chair, Regina, Madam Regina, what's your second name, by the way?
Tebasima.
Regina Tebasima. You said that when did you last send an email to the CEO giving feedback about these people?
Thank you, Chair. I will check and...
Mutawano guli awo nti nankulu oba mukyala yeita Jenifer Bamuturaki tumubuuziza lwaki ebintu yabisayininganga yekka ye nga atujuliza omwoyo omutukuvu. Kakati okusayininga ebiwandiiko kyanjawulo n'okusinza Katonda kyanjawulo. Kati tumubuuza ebiwandiiko yabisayininga byokka era bakkiriza nti ddala mutuufu kampani secretary teyasayininga ate ye n'abisayininga. Kati mu mateeka kitegeeza essente ezasasulwanga bagoberera endagaano bwetyo ziba zasasulwa mu nsobi era wabweru w'amateeka. Kati ne kiba nti entambuza y'emirimu mu kakiiko kano twagala n'okuvaayo okulikomendinga ng'akakiiko.
Yes, Ababaka eno Jenifer Bamuturaki aginamu omukono. Era kyovudde olaba PO box namba ya Ababaka era naye gyakozesa ku biwandiiko bye ne contracts yali asayininga ng'ayingira Uganda Airlines. Alina contracts zitwafuna mu ngeri yaffe zeyasayininga ku lwa Ababaka. Ku nsonga endala ne kampuni endala ekikulaga of course omutayinza kusayininga lwa kitongole baba takiyinamu mukono. Era waliwo ne email gye musomedde olwaleero era nagikiriza nti yagiwandiika yali alina omukozi gwa Ababaka gwe yali awandiikira n'amugamba nti kakati funa ssente ku za Ababaka osasule ono nsonga ndala then eventually zijja kuddizibwawo kati omuntu atalina mukono mu Abavata aba tasobola kukikola ekyo n'awandikira omu ku bakozi ab'ekitongole abantu abo bawe ssente zijja kuddibwawo bizibwawo. So kiragira ddala nti agiinamu omukono. Kyovudde olaba era mu ntandikwa mu kuweeba contract ey'okuleeta ennyonyi eyasooka ne babawa obukadde 778 ezaali waggulu ennyo era nabo ne bakikkiriza. Yagamba CEO yaliwo mu kaseera ako nti abantu bano tubawa omulimu bajja gukola kubanga mu kaseera ako yali commercial director